Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to use ChatGPT for homework without getting caught. So if you want to use ChatGPT on your homework, as you can see, so I'm giving you an example here. So first of all, I write here, write me a 100-word essay about Apple. And as you can see here, the result, it's very accurate. But if you want to use the generated text, it will detect it as a made by AI. So if we copy this one and we're gonna check this out on AI content detector. So here, as you can see, if we paste it right here and click on analyze text, it will show you the result saying 46% human generated content. So we don't want this, and we should edit this text until there's less detectable AI content. So what we're going to do is copy this and go to paraphrasing toolbar, as you can see, and then click on this paste text and then click on paraphrase button. So as you can see, the text now is rephrased. Now if we're going to copy this one and paste it back here on AI content detector, as you can see, it is now a 9% human generated text. Now we just need to continue rephrasing this text right here until we have a higher percent. As you can see, it is now 96%. So again, rephrase again the text and then copy and paste it right back here. So as you can see, the result now is 99% human generated content. So they will not notice that this text is made by AI. So that's how you basically use the ChatGPT for your homework. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.